Today, we're going to walk through the steps to take if your N Series water heater is showing a fault code of EC12. Firstly, check the gas supply is turned on and there are no leaks or blockages in the gas line. Absolute minimums are 19 mbar for natural gas and 34.5 mbar for LPG. Examine the air filter and clean or replace if necessary. Check for flame in the chamber. If immediate fault to 12 appears, check flame rod ionization current. Unscrew and remove the bracket to the gas inlet pipe. Push down on the pipe and move aside and inspect the wire mesh on the gas valve for any blockages. Test resistance within the gas solenoid. The reading should be within range 15 to 25 ohms and 11 to 14 FAV in operation. Any value close to or over limit means component fault. Inspect electrical connections for moisture, which can interfere with operation. Make sure you have the correct seals before removing the probe plate. Disconnect wires and remove screws from the plate. Carefully remove the plate. Ensure the flame rod is clean and functioning properly. Once clean, reinstall the plate by replacing the screws. Plug wires back in. Check the exhaust and intake vents are not blocked or obstructed. On a B-type flue system, a gas sniffer can be used to check for damaged seals passing POCs. Resecure the front cover and perform a hard reset to check the fault code stops showing. Once the checks have been carried out, a flue gas analyzer can be inserted into the case to check for any POCs being recirculated back into the appliance. If the problem persists, please contact Rinnai UK technical support using the number shown at the end of the video and selecting option 2.